Hello, hello. I hope you can hear me well. The sound seems a bit low from my voice. I don't know what's going on. I guess that's fine. It's still louder than the music. So let's stick to that. Okay, I can minimize OBS. Have the chat there. Discord can go. Oh, I have to send a message to a friend. One second. All right. We are staring at a blank screen for Figma, right? Oh, let me check OBS. OBS, are you still getting sound from? Okay, cool. We're all set. All right, let's have a look at now a linear, right? We have a project, which is chat vote. In chat vote, we have issues. And we have this main issue here. Design and build the chat vote overlay. It's for the UI, the in-app layout, which I'll explain in a second. The copy overlay link, which, yeah, just a button, and the overlay interface itself. So that's the main part that we have to design and then implement. It shouldn't take the whole stream for a V1, but let's see where we land. Okay, I have these two, I can split them. Yeah, okay. Right, let's do that. So right now, if I am to search Arc, Twitch things, I don't have Twitch things. Interesting. Things. Yeah, there. This is the current version. I open chat vote. This is front-end driven. Not the most interesting. In the chat, if I do start vote, there, now it starts. But if I reload the page, the vote is lost and it's not fun. Also, this is not something I can really comfortably add as an overlay. Doesn't look great, you know, with the black background and all that. Yeah, it's a lot of work. So what I'll do is create an overlay for that, which will show the vote there. Maybe some kind of like just the text and the background is transparent, something like that, right? That's the idea for now. So let me close that, I guess, and start there. Okay. I'm going to have, let me do something. The most common background is this. Something like this, right? So, wait. Yeah, something like this. So this is the whole screen. I'm gonna copy that. So it's clipboard. Paste it somewhere there. Put it inside if I can. So that's the very top. I guess I can lock it in place. The opacity could be... Oh, I can have like an effect, like a layer blur, like this. You know, so the overlay can stay above the webcam feed. It's gonna last like a few seconds, few minutes, sorry, right? So yeah, maybe more than 4, maybe 8. And then the opacity, I'll set it to 50 for now. And this has no fill, right? Something like this we can work with. Okay, now let's see all the elements we need, and then after that we'll check the auto layout, right? Let's start with a low level. We might want some mention that is the chat vote, right? But maybe that won't be huge. It has a fill for now. Those fill, I tell you, it's way too bright. Right. Then we want the label of the... Yeah, something like that. We want the label of the vote there, right? Because sometimes, well, oftentimes the vote will have a lot of what's it called? It will have a label. We're going to vote for something, right? So it makes sense to have a label. If you're just joining the stream, you know what the vote is about. So when you cast your vote, you know why you're voting, essentially. Okay. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, maybe something like that, right? We'll see the font size in a bit. Then we'll have a series of votes. Like this. Oops, no. Okay, yeah, with the auto layout, I guess it's easier. So then, you know, we'll record all the votes like this. Whatever. These, like this. I don't need that. It just goes like this, right? Yeah, something like that. So that would be the idea. Text. We'd need at least 16 for sure. Chat vote. Maybe that one is all caps. Yeah. And black. But the color is not like this white, but maybe something off like this. Yeah, colors are going to be complicated there because of the background that could change. Might need a tint to the background. 25. Not so subtle. We'll adjust as time goes. So this is chat vote. Then this will be larger, but not too much. It will be bold and just normal text. Game night. Number 3, May 2024. Something like this. And that would be brighter, I guess. So this is completely black. I need something else. Maybe it's 14. It's not recommended for readability or anything, but I mean, yeah, let's keep that. Now votes. Now we need votes. So votes will be 16. So that makes sense, I guess. This can be a long string, so I won't make it more than this. And this is this should be 300. No, 320 is fine. Let's keep it like that. And it will be a 2-line kind of thing. So I'm going to duplicate it. No. So it's going to be like, oh no, that's not what I wanted. Why? Yeah. This is not bold, this is medium, semi-bold, I guess. Next 3. Oh yeah, okay, it's like this. I see. Yeah, I duplicated it. Layers. Let's see. This is now a frame. It's now a component. If I duplicate it, yeah. Time for the overlay, auto layouts. Yep. So that one is the come on. Layer title. Might get rid of that one. I don't know. Vote title like this, and these are the votes. To layout. So that's the question. So the image is a fixed thing. Oh, I need to group all of them together. I see. Yeah. It's a frame. 320. Just like that. Okay, and so that one doesn't have the auto layout, doesn't need it. Content, auto layout there, good. Now, okay. Now I group this fill container, group dynamic content. Go to layout. This. What? So with fill, okay. I cannot add margins in there. What's that? Yeah, but what is it? Oh, no. Don't need that. Okay. Let's see closer. Trying to build that as a developer, you know, but maybe it doesn't make a whole lot of sense. Layer title, the height would be 56. Title, okay, auto layout, fix height 56, and then the content is centered there. Content 16, yep, that works. Next, yeah, that works. Okay. Maybe have it at 48. That one, vote title. Height 40. No, that has to be at least 56. Something like that. $18, I guess. guess this has to be extra bold, but the color has to be different. This is red, but this is... I mean, doesn't fit the chat vote and Twitch things colors, so let's change that to purple 200, and then this has to be purple 600, something like this. This would be purple 100. You can barely see it, I think. So yeah, and that's the whole thing, I think. So let's try other usernames from the follows, right? It would be extremely development Python. I don't know yet who that would be. Geography, maybe, like just a general thing. Who else? Yeah. Building a Twitch chatbot because Subscribe is a chatbot. There, and I don't know. Taking more photos on Twitch, I guess. Something like that. Let's look for... oh. Let's see who we have in the chat at the moment. Oh, let me open like a new tab. Twitch things. Let me do this. Chat vote and inspect. Oh yeah. Inspect here. If we refresh, oh, it doesn't show who joins. I guess on prod it doesn't do that. It should be showing something. Like, we have a lot of people randomly, well, not a lot, but we have quite a few all the time. Random accounts following. Not following, but joining the chat, which is weird. Let me see, can I trigger it? Nope. Never mind. Why is it still here? Go down there. Anyways, what's next? Yeah, want to thing. You should... I never know how to properly do that here, you know? I'll just... Yeah, that's fine, I guess. And the overlay will be just that, so we'll keep it at just one breakpoint for now. So, linear overlay interface, right? But chat vote itself, so like open new tab, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that's quite nice. I didn't know it would do that at this breakpoint. Or maybe it's broken in a way. My UI is not supposed to look like this. I didn't design it like this. What's going on? Hello? Oh, there's a problem. Something's very broken. Or is it? Yeah, it's broken, but it's not showing me where. Interesting. Let's clear everything. Yeah. Yeah. It's supposed to span the whole thing. And this is properly broken. I tried to fix hydration stuff, and I guess I didn't test well, but I swear I did. New bugs, yay! Yeah, it's broken. Let's try to fix that. Of layout. If I remove this, just keep it, you know, as it's meant to be. Oh, we have more hydration mismatches. No, not hydration. Just weird Shatsian view stuff. Okay, oath layout. What did I get wrong here? The whole thing is not supposed to be.
It's all about humanity.
How about I remove that?
It's all about humanity.
Yeah. Okay. Yes, that's fine. Yeah, that's just for that specific overlay. Don't care about it. This. Where does that come from? Display, grid, yeah. current question is loaded. Really? I guess we'll scope it. There. Fixed.
It's all about humanity.
And we didn't have that issue before. It just manifested now. Interesting. And now this is still broken.
About it's all about humanity.
Style. Current question. Prevent. Gauge. Something like that. I can revert that. Wow, it's actually broken. No, it just takes time. Okay. If I remove it, does it work properly now? Yeah, it doesn't work, so let's see. Did I break anything there? That's the question. I guess at this point, yeah, but it's not the problem. I hate when it does that. Don't know why it does it. And if I remove this, it's working properly, but more hydration mismatches. Huh. How about this whole thing goes to that? No hydration mismatch. No miss. And it works. Okay. I guess I'll go that route. I can clean up as well. Oh, yeah. Sure. After view, I guess. Clean up IDs. CSS. Fix. Navbar, I guess. Re-enable logout without causing the hydration mismatch. Okay, we have that cleared out. What I wanted to check initially was in chat vote at the moment. Yeah, Oh, we have. Oh well, don't have time for that now. Yeah. So that's kind of the centered layout, which I don't like anymore. You know, that's beyond the point now. Capture node screenshot is interesting. Do I have it directly in my clipboard? Nope. Search file. Screenshot. Nice. So the second thing I want to design is that would be a desktop one. Like this. Because I just need that in there. I guess I can just do that. Okay, maybe we can. No, never mind. Do we have a button? Yes, we have a button. Just a button like this. It's the let's say something like this, right? That button would be which one? Copy over the link. And we can duplicate. We can have something like this. Yeah, that's all we need actually, because Figma design, yeah, that's the one that's in progress. Open in a new tab. I think I'll remove it. Yeah, 300. I just kept it to 320. It's fine. Design the overlay single. Yeah, basically that's all that I wanted. How about overlay? And in there I need to detach it so that I can icon copy and the selection color would be white instead, but not quite. Not white. Purple 100. So it's not like this bright stuff. Maybe even 200. Yeah. And quite smaller. 18. 8. Even less. Okay, it should be 16. And the difference should be 4, 6. Yeah, something like that. I think I'll go with that. Oh, let me do something on Discord. Share your screen. It would be that screen, I guess. Let's see if the connection can handle that. I'm going live on Discord as well. Let me add a message, I guess, to that call. There. Interaction on clipboard, which there. Okay, I'm back. So just that which I need in terms of design, and that's it. So we already have the overlay there, that, and I think I'll center everything. I mean left align everything. That doesn't fit the scope of this, you know. So let's say that these two are done. So this is done, right? And implement design. First, let's implement that. Okay. So cursor, pages, so it's time I do a new folder, chat boat, right? That would move here, yes, move, and rename it to index. New page, overlay. Open overlay. I hate that. There is much better. No need for styles. One day I'll have to configure this. One day. All right. Let's check the design. So there's no way I can get like a mini. Yeah. Let's try this, maybe. This can't be main section, I guess. Oh, could be, because I need layout. New layout. Overlay. It's just that, basically. App. Div. I guess it can be main. Doesn't matter that much since it's a visual thing. Okay, that's off layout. That's the overlay. Define page meta. Layout overlay. It's just lowercase, I guess. Yeah, now you're happy. With 300 pixels, let's say. Hide is auto. Whoops. I got a message in the chat. I'm opening that in a private thing, and if it's bad, I'll ban the user. It's not even loading. Hey Alex, how's it going? This link in the chat didn't work, so I want to see what that user is about. See if I should ban the user or not. It's a new account. I guess so. Oh, there's a redirection, so maybe it's doing something. Very bad. Alex, do you have... You don't have the rights to ban people, right? Maybe I should give you... I forgot how to give you mod access or anything. Okay, I'll do it myself. Let's see. So you go here, mod action, report, spam, I guess. First chat message was a link. No, let's not even add it. One. Of course. Thank you. There we go. Is your Wi-Fi or like the actual connection is bad? Because I had a WhatsApp call earlier and it was not good. So I don't know. But yeah, Alex, I'm building V2 of Twitch things. And let's maximize this. I haven't been online all that much recently though. Alright. Yeah, so not to get into all the details right now, but let me still show you, I guess. 1, 2, 3, 4. So V2 is like a usual SAS instead of the weird toolkit I had before. Still have. It's in prod. Oh no. Okay, there I'm logged in, right? So it all looks the same in terms of chat vote, for example, but in terms of how it works, it's all backend driven. So if you check the server here, okay, let me show you the main difference. It's going to be easier that way. If I reload here, it reloads the data. Oh, and the vote is done. So if I do start vote -t 1 minute, yeah, you see that this vote will only be for 1 minute, and I can reload and I can open as many as I want. It will still be that that data, that source of truth. I can only have one vote, one voting session at a time on my channel, essentially. We even have the download vote command, which is a placebo at the moment, and it, well, Arc is a bit strange. Whoa, wait, something, oh yeah, I had like an alert with the vote and it blocked everything. Yeah, React.js, I can vote Vue.js, you know? It still works the same visually, but in the backend it's very, very different. And the vote has ended, so now if you try to vote, it shouldn't update it. So if you want, try that. Because if I vote for Angular, yeah, and the error messages are better as well. Oh, I can also rename a vote session if it's still in progress. I can show you that. So, start vote. The new session. Oops. Session. Right. I can rename vote to. Vote was renamed. Oh, I can't. There. I can rename it. I can change the duration specifically. See, it has changed to 12 minutes. Can change it back, I guess, to 1 minute. Things like this. And of course, I can end it early. So, the vote is closed. There. Cursor. So it's all backend driven now. So we have the API route, which already exists. Well, it was already there for a while, but I guess not in the public version. This handles the commands that come from Twitch listener. All of that. And for example, rename vote goes there. We have some checks and all that. It goes to handle rename vote command. Checks if it's from me, else rejected. Yeah. And then it calls this rename chat vote session. Oh, we have unused code. Huh. Yeah, I did a bit of refactoring. So, yeah, no need for all of these. So we have more checks. By the way, the weird link goes to a site to buy followers views. Yeah. But I think there was like a redirection to a page, but the page wasn't loading. Like there was nothing when I tried it. So in any case, not interested. What's the point of buying viewers if they're not going to consume your content? Yeah, I don't know. And I guess those viewers will be bots. Yeah. And yeah, it does the change somewhere. Yeah, it does the change here and then sets it there and then, well, good. So yeah, that's the basic structure of things here. And what else on the server? Yeah, but if you buy, you can brag. Like, hey, I have so many viewers that don't watch my content. Follow for more. Something like that? Yeah. So fun. Yeah. Oh yeah, and I'm playing more with server sent events. So here somewhere. Where's the SSC? Okay, let me just find. So server sent event, it's basically something like this. It's like an open connection, but it's one direction. It goes from the server to the client. There's no back and forth, right? And the chat vote receives info directly through that. So you can see here, here's the sending the initial data. It's basically sending this, like a blip, like hello, right, to initiate the connection. And then when the event emitter receives an event from somewhere else in the app related to the chat, right, it sends the whole data there. And what I'm doing actually is, for example, if we go back to there, every time I do modification on the state of the vote session, right, it's done here, it's returned there, stringified, I emit it to here, and from there in the server we communicate to the front end. So SSC, that's a composable on the front end now, which listens to this server sent event, just to event source the path, and you have it. I don't have the protocol, I don't have the full host name or whatever here because it's on the same server. It's a full stack Nox app, right? So we check for the message, etc. There are exceptions here and there, but essentially at this point it will update the whole object for the voting session there. So you get the state, you get all the votes, etc, etc. So that's the idea. I did quite some work during the weekend, and now we're doing some lighter work where we're building an overlay. So this is Vue.js. What was the previous version written in? So it's not just Vue.js. Vue.js is what you use to build the front end part, let's say, right? To build your UI, build the interactive part on one page or a section of a page. This is Nuxt.js, which is a framework around Vue.js that does the whole full stack thing. So most of those folders are about the front end, different concepts like components that you know of, composables, reusable logic. This is me, diagrams. You can have different layouts. A layout can be applied to different pages, group of pages, but not all of them. Middleware for front-end routing, etc, etc. So for Vue.js you would have the concept of just, let's say, components and maybe composable, which is directly for Vue.js, and maybe a router. But Nuxt wraps around that literally, and then also gives you the whole server thing. So you have API routes, you have API middlewares, etc, etc. And all this runs on a Node.js server, not on your browser. So that's pretty cool. Started work the past week and finally understand this stuff. Oh, cool. Tell us about your work. Where do you work? What do you do there? And why is it Kubernetes? Meanwhile, I just header chat root class. This text. Yep. Name. H1. Chat reload. Store. Chat root session. Chat root store. Yeah, tell us. Dot label. Yeah. So I'm software dev intern. Okay, no Kubernetes. That's a big problem. Kidding. I can do a lot of small projects. The big team are too busy to care about. Okay. Have you met Didier? I guess he's the head of IT now. A very cool guy. So yeah, let me know if you've met Didier. I've been using C# with .NET, okay, to make websites and API. I guess like it's a good tool and it's used a lot in Mauritius. To make websites and APIs, but now I'm gonna learn React.js. Okay, no Kubernetes is surprisingly fun. All right, interesting. Yeah. So you're a full stack developer now, right? Yes, he's on the same floor as me. Not exactly the head of IT, but yeah, practically, yeah, exactly. He's not the head of IT, but he's doing all the important stuff. Oh yeah, of course, he knows you from DevCon, yeah. But yeah, do say hi when you see him again. That's a great combination. Gigi and you kind of working together. Full stack intern. Yeah, that's really cool, man. Okay, I just need a preview. So a new tab. 3, 4. Chat vote. Oh, some overlay. All right, now I can have that super small and stuff. But the current session is not there because we don't have a current session. Start vote. Now, we are going to do. Oh, okay, yeah. Reload that. Yeah, I won't need to refresh anything, so. Oh, Alex, on the next meetup, we're going to have a conversation with Sun about React versus Vue.js. Which one is quote unquote better? I'm not going to phrase it like that, but you get the idea. What are the pros, what are the cons of each one? So it would be good to have you in the audience there. And you know, discuss all this. So what now? What are you unhappy about? Well, bloody? I hope not. Depends on who's in the audience. But yeah. I barely have experience with React, but from my positive and negative experience, let's say, with React, I'll have things to say. Sun has more experience with React, so we'll see. Okay. Reload. Network. Oh, it's not using this. Anyway, sorry if I disappear for some time or don't respond. Yeah, don't worry. It's all good. We all manage how we can, you know. Use SSE something something. Yeah, I need to activate that for it to. Yeah, now I think it's working. Because I need. Well, I need to copy from index. Oh, chat. Oh, it didn't get renamed. Index. So I need to do something like chat would display those here. No. Oh no, not that part. It should be. Oh yeah, it's in here. It's in vote indicator, which I need a different layout for. Where's that timer? Yeah, it's something like this. Oops. Copy that. Oh, I forgot the timer there. That should be above the timer, let's say. Oops. I cannot figure out the shortcut for that. Never mind. Value. Oh, I don't need the value. It was just a. Okay. What? This Copilot is actually much better most of the time, but not always. Because computer ref, what? What is wrong? So what are you, well, if you can say, what are you working on, Alex? Let's understand that. Unintentional first type. Computer drive started da da da. And string. What? The value? Why is that in the template? Doesn't really make sense, but okay. Between the video and the chat. More than usual? Yeah, okay, we have a timer. Let's copy all of this and rework it, I guess. We don't want that part. Chat restore that roads. No. Yeah. But I also worked on Active Directory. Ooh, yeah. Some project management. Okay, utility kind of thing, and also now a registration website. Okay, are you secretly preparing an event there? Oh, by the way, let's vote. Here's my vote. Ooh, okay. We are having a bug here. Can't put session. Chat store. Really a bit of utility stuff. Alright, that's cool though, no? It's as long as you can grasp the concept of the thing you're building when you start, I think it's good. Things nobody else could be bothered to do. Yeah, I guess. Don't know why it's different now. We don't have the resources free, yeah. Like big project need a well-formed team, right? Yeah, makes sense. And so you can't just steal a person for a week to make some, yeah, exactly, yeah. Been there as well. Well, I saw it with, like, you know, freshers from university who, yeah, cloud native. Yeah, we're having some issues there. It's just that the shape is never the same for some reason. And this doesn't change anything. This is my, like, why is it like that? Strange. You know? So why? Okay, I understand why it's wrong here, but I don't understand why it works there. What is... wait. Yeah, okay. Yeah, makes sense. Yeah. Maybe that should be computed. Yeah, that can be computed like a getter. Floats. Return this to that. Down. State. Unless the intern is the easy, yeah. Around, put on tiny projects as they come up. Yeah, that makes sense. At the same time, you see more stuff, I guess. So not too bad. And you have space to fail and everything. Okay, so it's still broken. Just had to reload it, I guess. But why is it? Why do I get this now? So this is Chatwood store. Okay. It shouldn't be anything like this. 0, 1. Come on, what's... this is terrible. Oh, and now I did dot value here. It's this stores to ref is a bit strange, but now it works. I've never really used Pinia that much. Some stuff are weird for some reason. But yeah, now we have the votes. So let's get rid of everything we don't want here. We're not going to use Shatsian there. Just saying. It's going to be pure spans, I guess. Not even p tags. I guess 2 spans inside a p tag. Wrap p like this. Just realized I have presentation to prepare for DevCon. So you work now and you have to prepare stuff, and you work like some... It's a new activity, so it takes a lot of brain power, and then at night you have to work on your presentation. Oh, by the way, feel free to, if you have like, you know, even just the intro, whatever, if you want to progressively prepare your presentation, yeah, hop on, let me know. Grid gap y8. Okay, we need some padding around here. P4 there. Black. And now let's check the design. Slate 300. 100. Purple 100. Purple 100. Whoops. Text OG. Excel. Yeah. That works. Oh no. Text. Yeah. So that's 48. So the text is 14. Um, 48. Yeah, don't judge me. 34. It's going to be custom value. 3470. PY. Something like this could work. Okay, so we're going to have it like this. And then we'll have it here. Something like this. Rivanov. Real Vanov. Rivanov. Thanks for the follow. I need to refresh those alerts. Oops. In progress. Alerts. Yeah. I just need to refresh the thing, I guess, and then it will work. Sorry for the alerts, and welcome to the chat. So tell us about yourself. What do you do? Are you a developer? Do you do something else? Yeah. Again, welcome. I'm building an overlay for Twitch. So that's that. It's a whole part of a whole tool belt for Twitch, which I'm rebuilding. It was an experiment before, now it's I'm trying to build an actual SaaS. Style, scoped, no. Body. Background. Just a hobbyist. Cool. Do you work on anything at the moment? I'm trying to remove the background right now. Any favorite tech that you have? And if you don't mind me asking, since you're a hobbyist, do you have a different job? CSS, yeah. But why does mine apply. Yeah, contract work. Okay. Yeah, so do you use front end, back end, full stack, or embedded systems? What do you do? Tell us. I'm excited. I'm professionally I'm a front end developer. I try to work on full stack apps of my own. I'm a freelancer. Or infra, yeah. Maybe infra. Maybe Kubernetes. Wink wink. Background image, none. That could work. Yeah, I don't know how to remove that background. It's going to be a problem, right? Oh, I could do something. Root BG pattern. None or some invalid stuff. No, that wouldn't work. No. I'm just having a blank, but yeah, if I do this, it works. Body, background, transparent. Let's say black for now, so that we can see something. Mostly recently Angular and C#. Oh, we have Alex who's discovering C# at work. Cool. I started with Angular. Alex, maybe you don't know that. I started with AngularJS. Then I did Angular, well, the Angular you know today, or the premise of that, even before it was like fully released. It was already in, it was still in beta when I tested it. Not just tested, I tested it and then I started a project, a rewrite from AngularJS to Angular. And I did that for a year. But then when I moved to freelance full-time, I did do some coaching with Angular, but quickly moved full-time to Vue.js since then. I think my mom presented on Angular at the very first DevCon. Okay, cool. Yeah, I guess they started adopting it at her job. So was it Angular or AngularJS? Sounds very familiar to me. Okay. Rivanov, have you tried Vue.js or React? Or any other framework other than Angular? Oh, I can add that too. No. Already trying to indoctrinate them into front end. No, it's fine. Hey, so you both are working, well, touching C# and React. Interesting. By the way, Rivanov, if you want to find help with maybe React, maybe Angular, mostly Vue, but front end and back end in general, you can join the Discord and we'll be happy to help you over there. And you'll get the news of when I start streaming and all that. So yeah. By the way, let me check the Discord. Yeah, still sharing in the Discord as well. So yeah, cool. Can close that. Give me some servers and some Kubernetes. I mean, Alex, the interesting part is that, well, you're starting to work on apps, but if you get far enough in developing apps, understanding subtleties of apps, it might help you be an even better Kubernetes guy, because you would understand the developer side and maybe you'll understand their needs better or the needs of the app better. So that could be interesting. It's very cool to be, yeah, to know a large variety of things. Definitely agree. Yeah. So you know the saying that goes, jack of all trades, master of none. Apparently, from what I've heard, it's not that. It's jack of all trades, master of one. So I'm trying to be a full stack developer, but my mastery would be front end, I guess. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Well, mastery to be defined, but I'm definitely better at the front end world than back end. I'm dabbling on the back end side, which is going okay for now for my apps. Yeah, it's, I mean, I don't know. If you're working at a company, before you get into the top levels, it's, if you have to choose, best to specialize, I guess. But if you want more responsibility, it's better to know many things. Thing is, CTOs are very good at many things. That's the thing as well. And they're good at one thing, learning fast and understanding important stuff very fast. It's scary. Okay, back to our work here. Just do a bit of more styling. Purple 600. Glass purple. Text purple 600. Font extra bold. Glass text purple 200, I think. Font medium, something like that. Close enough. Then we'll refine it. Should I do this indicate? Indication, yeah, I guess. No, I'll do that later, or off stream. We only have a few minutes left. Let's start a vote again. So, Alex and Rivanov, I'll ask you to just cast a vote for whatever you want. It's the best front-end framework. You have 5 minutes. And I have things to fix. Like this. Why is it not full width? Yep, it's displayed here. Cool. with 300, but isn't that... Yeah, I guess I'll remove that with full. Yeah, okay. So if I vote, yeah, that's not a framework, by the way, Alex. But yeah. Just for the, just like that. Let's say it's that. Right. So now I'm going to copy the URL. Raise of ages. Okay. That's templating technology slash language, I know. Closer, I'd say. So now we go to OBS. Move studio mode. I can hide that for a second so that we don't go crazy. Browser. Vote. It's going to be 320. It's a framework, a full stack one. So now it's a black background, but if I change it to, oops, is that good? It's a good framework, but it's not a front end in the sense like React, Vue, and all that. If you want a Microsoft one, you can go. No, this is none from Microsoft as such. Angular is technically Google, but TypeScript is from Microsoft, so and Angular is the one that moved. Angular is the one that moved TypeScript to the front end a lot and pushed for it a lot. Yeah, okay, React.js, and it got updated fine. So there. Ha, I see. After apply black opacity 40 height full absolute content, something like this. Trying to get it to 500. Trying to get a layer behind it. Oh, it's not body. It's going to be like that. Chat code overlay. Yeah. So where is it? And it doesn't. Oh, nice. That should be black. Whoa. It's completely broken now, or what? something's wrong. Refuse to apply style. Okay. It's time to restart it. The BG Black does. Oh, yeah, my bad. Yeah. It explodes when you do things like that. Still not happy? Come on now. Is it content? Why is it completely broken? I don't get it. Oh, it's not completely broken. It's just... So that's chatbot. Now, no. Overlay. There. Now this. Yeah. Okay. Reload. Interact. Properties. Why? Okay, button as child. Next link to chatbot overlay. There. Cool. Still not readable. Yeah. That's okay. It's backdrop blur. No. Oh, I guess that should be on there. What now? Okay, let's start. Yeah. It's happy now. Start boot. I boot for this. Red 500. Yeah, it's not great. Opacity 10. It's interfering, I guess, because now I can go to 90. Maybe Z minus Z10. There we go. That makes more sense. And will the backdrop blur now? No. Still cannot be placed there. Backdrop blur. Yeah, so I don't know yet how I'm going to design that part, but you get the idea, right? So now if I check the preview here, yeah, let me check it down there. So how does it feel as a viewer? Don't know how it would feel like. Is it too small, or is the contrast not good? Obviously it's something we're going to improve on. I would try that off stream. It's good for you. All right, cool. You know, then I need to, you know, think of the layout. You know, small things like this might have to be more obvious. Okay, it's very readable. Okay, yeah, that's encouraging. I guess it's confusing now that you have this preview plus you have it on the whole video as well. But yeah, need to think. Maybe I would want something solid, you know? Now that I think of it, let me check OBS again. How about just blur? Yeah, I mean it's still readable, so most of the time it will be maximized like this, and there you can still see it. Yeah, it's fine. Now I can make it properties. Okay, I don't know how large that is. Maybe 360. I can align it. It's even more. 380. I don't know how large the webcam is. I get it's not 400, because 400 is that, right?
It's all about humanity.
So you know, then so and vote, right?
It's all about humanity.
So it's not stopped or anything. You don't you don't see, you don't have all the details, so it's definitely not done. But essentially, start vote game night #1 May 2024, you know, something like this. And we know you, when you join, you have to vote, Maybe I need some indication about how to vote, you know? Like, chat vote here, that would be the, yeah, nope. Header here, H2, so vote your,
It's all about humanity.
then your vote, then, right, something like this to vote.
It's all about humanity.
Plus py4, and that should be maybe in there. Mono. Lowercase there, something like that, you know. Those are some ideas of how it could look like. I would definitely refine it with maybe some more colors and different spacing, font size and all that. Maybe the timer goes under, but above it's quite nice. Don't know if it's a badge still. Oh, badge is not imported and this has to be imported too. Because Lucid View has a badge as well. You see the badge like this? BG purple 400. Game Night purple 200. 300. Oh, it's text, my bad. That's too much. Yeah. It's not bad. And the size doesn't fit properly, so it's more than that. It's 30 away. Yeah. And so it's 4.2, something like that. Or maybe just 400. Or something like this. Never mind, that's a draft. Yeah, that will be it for today, I think. So let's wrap up. Wait, let's see. I mean, the implementation, all that. In progress. Figma design, let's call it in progress. I need to refine it a bit. Implement design, yeah, it's still in progress. So, work in progress. Works. Works. Should be refined for next stream. these two are in progress, so tomorrow I'll improve on these. Other than that, we have other projects like the big one, Q&A, but not much work required on the overlays there. Yeah, but you can see all the work that has been done for Q&A as such. So, feed, chat vote, overlay, almost. Oh, what? This is 29, then, okay. So, one. No, let's read the code. This is the layout, that's good. This goes because we have that one. Oh, I could show you. No, that's on the chat vote. Never mind. So that would be just some cleanup. Yeah, that's cool. That's sure clean up there. Oh, by the way, Alex, I'm also thinking about having one more command, which would be like show overlay vote, something like this, and it would actually on OBS it would show that overlay. Then, you know, it would make it pop up there, if that makes sense. So yeah, fun stuff to do. And then obviously I don't think I'll do that in that cycle, but eventually, since we have the code that is good now, it's backend driven and all of that, we can have it to we can connect through a webhook, chat vote, and the quiz game. Are you sure you meant to hide that media source? I just hide it because just when I show OBS it's like that, you know. But yeah. Oh, right, yeah. I was showing code. My bad. Yeah. It's all backend driven now. Oh, maybe I should hide the vote thingy, you know, when I do that. Yeah, since we have all of that, we can contact a webhook on the API for the pop quiz, which then will update the front end and all those good stuff. So pretty fun things to come. And lots of work. Yeah, no, don't worry. But yeah. So let me end vote. So who are we going to visit now? That's the question. This, minimize this. If I could minimize everything. Yeah, that's not what I'm looking for. I don't know. I don't have the shortcut to minimize everything, sadly. Okay, new tab, move it up, directory. It's making a game, Space Odyssey. I guess that's how you pronounce it. Oh, wait, let me pause the music. Spotify, where are you? Yo. Does he respond to chat? Let's see. Can I bring some friends? Okay, let's... Okay, chat. See you on the other side. Thanks a lot, everyone, for joining, and I will see you on the other side. Bye.